Imagine this. You're working from your laptop. No inventory, no massive startup costs, and no coding skills. Just your internet connection, your drive, and a smart plan. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to walk you through four of the simplest, most beginner-friendly online businesses that you can start, even if you've never launched anything before. And no, we're not talking about drop shipping, crypto, or starting a complicated SaaS product. These are real businesses, proven to work, that require very little upfront investment. In fact, I run one of them myself and it brings in 7 figures annually. Ready to ditch the complicated stuff and get real? Business number 1 is what I call the remote home service business. Think of it like Uber, but for physical services, and you're the middleman connecting customers with workers. I personally run a junk removal company in over 40 cities across the US, and I don't lift a single item. I run it all from my computer using a team of subcontractors. Here's how simple it is to start. Choose a straightforward service. Think junk removal, lawn care, house cleaning, or even car detailing. Services people always need but hate doing themselves. Then, build a basic website using a tool like Wix or Squarespace. No design experience needed. Once you're up, list the business on Google and start promoting it locally. The beauty of this model is how easy it is to get your first customers. Post in local Facebook groups, ask friends and family to spread the word. Offer an early bird discount. There's a guy who runs a cleaning business remotely. He's making over $60,000 a month using this exact model. Subcontractors do all the work. You handle scheduling, payment, and customer service from home. You don't even need a huge team. Start in one city, then expand. You can outsource everything, even phone calls and customer support. And with tools like Jobber or Housecall Pro, managing scheduling and invoicing is a breeze. Let's talk about another overlooked business idea that's exploding right now, the local newsletter. It's low-tech, low-cost, and massively impactful. One great example is Naptown Scoot, Annapolis, Maryland. They only have 18,000 subscribers, but generate over $200,000 a year. And all they do is email out local news, events, and community highlights 5 days a week. Here's the secret. Local businesses want to advertise, but newspapers are dying and social media is overwhelming. A clean, simple email newsletter is the perfect place for them to reach their audience. You're essentially building a modern-day town square. You can grow your list through local Facebook ads, post flyers in coffee shops, network with business owners, or even co-promote with local influencers. Once you get a few thousand subscribers, you'll be surprised how many businesses want to pay to appear in your newsletter. All you need is a basic email tool like MailChimp or Beehive. You write 1 or 2 paragraphs a day, curate some events, and schedule your sending. And since people in your town likely don't have anything like this already, you're filling a gap. That's where the value comes in. Business number 3 is all about online service arbitrage. Basically, playing matchmaker between small businesses and freelancers. It's perfect for beginners because you don't need to do any of the work yourself. Here's what it looks like. Go to Google Maps and look up local contractors, roofers, landscapers, mechanics, anyone without a proper website. Use a simple site builder like Wix to create a beautiful, branded homepage for them. You don't need to code anything. Just drop in their name, contact info, maybe some stock photos, and boom. Done in a couple hours. Send it to them as a free preview. Say, hey, I noticed your business doesn't have a site. I built one to show you what it could look like. If they like it, you charge $300, $500. Want ongoing hosting? That's another $50 month. Hire someone on Fiverr for $50 and keep the markup. You can do this with logos, social media graphics, SEO audits, video intros. The possibilities are endless. Just learn to spot the gap, offer the solution, and outsource the work. The 4th business is a spin on freelancing, but it's even more scalable. It's building a micro-agency. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be the organizer, the middleman who brings together talented freelancers to serve clients. Take a niche: local SEO, Instagram growth, email marketing, content writing. Then, find the go-to freelancer for each service on Fiverr or Upwork. Package those services under your own brand and start offering them to local businesses, influencers, or startups who don't want to hire full-time help. You can manage it all with Trello or Notion, communicate via email or Slack, and keep your overhead extremely low. All you need is a pricing sheet, a little marketing, and the ability to manage a few deadlines. I've seen micro-agencies doing $10,000, $20,000 a month, just running everything from a laptop. The trick is to build relationships with quality freelancers and consistently deliver results. Let's recap. For beginner-friendly online businesses that require little to no startup capital, can be run entirely remotely, and actually have the potential to scale. You've got the remote home service business. Build it once. Scale it city by city. The local newsletter. Connect your community and turn readers into revenue. Online service arbitrage. Become the connector between businesses and skilled freelancers. Micro-agencies. Build teams, package services, and serve clients without doing it all yourself. So if you're tired of overcomplicated side hustles and want a business that's real, tangible, and scalable, pick one of these and start today. No more waiting for the perfect time. The best way to learn is by doing. Hit that like button if you found value. Subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more online business breakdowns. And let me know in the comments which business you're going to start. You got this.